Welcome to the Fizzy Show. There and there and there.
Vroom, 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 vroom. Phoebe, what are you doing?
I am creating art.
Oh, whoa, it's a bit messy. We're gonna have to get this cleaned up. Okay, let me think. I know, some fizzy magic. Yeah, join in with me. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Fizzy, whizzy, bo, busy, bop. It worked.
Wow. Fizzy, what are we going to do today?
Let me show you, Phoebe. Miss Hands, we're gonna need a hand.
Hi everyone, it's me, Miss Hands. Hey Fizzy and Phoebe. Ooh, I see paint. And monster trucks. I know exactly what we're doing today. Whoa, watch this.
You can see tire marks in the red paint.
Monster trucks are super cool because they have these really big wheels. Would you like to choose a color, Phoebe?
Can we dip it in the blue?
What's super awesome is that when we mix 2 different paints, we can create new colors. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wow!
Did you see that? When we have red paint and blue paint and we mix them together, we get purple.
Awesome, Miss Hands. Let's show Phoebe some more.
Next up, we have yellow paint.
Fizzy, why do cars go so quickly down the ramp?
This is called gravity, Phoebe. Monster trucks have big wheels, so when we put them on a ramp, they naturally roll. Here, I'll show you.
Oh, so if the ramp was sky high,
then it would go even faster.
Cool.
Okay, team, are we ready? 3, 2, 1.
Amazing!
Look! Whoa, so blue and yellow make green?
Yeah, good spot, Phoebe.
What does red and yellow make?
Well, let's find out.
Okay, let's dip our monster truck back into our red paint. Whoa, 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 it nearly got me.
This looks awesome.
Whoa, look at this.
So red and yellow creates orange.
Cool.
Phoebe, what are you doing?
Well, you said that cars go really quickly down the ramp. But what if they're on a different road, like sand?
Ah, Phoebe, pink sand. You're talking about texture. I love this. We can definitely experiment with rough compared to smooth.
Textures are what things are made out of and how they feel.
Yeah, and sand is rough.
Let's test out your idea, Phoebe, and this time we can use pink paint. Let's go! Okay, truck, I'm gonna dip you in the pink paint over here. And then gently into the sand. Ooh, I can really feel that. Are we ready? 3, 2, 1. Ooh, let's do that one more time. It's moving very slowly.
Ooh, that went much slower.
That's right, Phoebe. Because the texture was rough, there was more friction under the wheels.
Ooh, can we do another one?
Let's do it.
Are we ready? 3, 2, 1.
Let's do one more and see what we end up with.
For the final time. 3, 2, 1.
Awesome sauce!
The rough surface definitely slowed the monster trucks down. Oh, look! We can see which ones are the sandy ones.
Oh, that is so awesome!
It was so cool to mix two things that we both like, paint and trucks.
Let's see how it looks.
Wow, it's awesome!
Well done, team! It looks like they're still racing.
Yay, let's go play!
Yeah, thanks for watching. We hope you all had a Fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time!